How to log in to Margex account. Welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to be helping you learn how to easily log into your Margex account step by step. If you are looking to access your Margex account safely, then logging in correctly is essential to protect your funds and enjoy seamless trading. First of all, open your Margex application on your device, or you may also visit the margex.com website. From the main homepage or the interface, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner and click on the login button. You'll then come across the sign-in area where you'll need to enter your email and the password associated with your Margex account that you previously have. If you don't remember your password, tap on the Reset Password button and follow through the password reset process. After you have your credentials correct, click Login. You'll then be able to log into your Margex account easily. All you have to do is to get your credentials correct and you'll be good to go. And yes, if you have enabled two-factor authentication while logging in, you need to verify it. Enter the 6-digit code from your authentication app or phone number and you'll be able to get access to your account again. So that's how you easily log into your existing Margex account using your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.